Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Ria and I'm a consultant physiotherapist at CMM, your foot doctor. So as you all know, the topic of today's video is foot warriors. So you must be wondering what foot warriors means. We refer to foot warriors collectively as a group of professionals who specialize in giving solutions to foot problems. So it's not just one or two specialists, but it is a holistic approach that people should follow when looking for solutions towards foot problems. So many people with foot issues are normally unaware or confused as to whom should they approach if they have a foot issue. So in today's video, I will be highlighting on the role of each specialist and how when they work together holistically, you can get treatment to your foot problem. So let's begin with myself. So I'm a physiotherapist and my role in resolving foot issues is basically firstly diagnosing what the issue is. So reaching a proper diagnosis through a thorough assessment and finding out the root cause of the problem. If it can be treated conservatively, I devise an exercise protocol which helps and aims at strengthening and maintaining flexibility of the muscles as well as improving the range of motion if required. As a physiotherapist, I practice certain hands-on treatment if required for appropriate foot problems. Next is orthopedic. An orthopedic physician or orthopedic surgeon again aims at diagnosing the problem through a thorough assessment and the problem medically or sometimes if required. So medically by prescribing appropriate medications depending on what the condition is, and in cases such as a fracture, an extra bone growth like a calcaneal spur, etc., where a surgery may be required, then they specialize in that area, and that is when we know that you need to consult an orthopedic. Thirdly is the podiatrist. So who is a podiatrist? A podiatrist is again a medical professional who specializes only in foot issues, and they deal with all sorts of foot conditions as we have discussed, like if you have a heel spur or if you have a corn or if you have a callus. So basically looking after the orthopedic as well as the skin issues or the toenail issues, any infections of the foot. So that's what they specialize and treat the patient accordingly. And lastly, the orthotist. So an orthotist is someone who is involved in correcting or giving appropriate an orthotist is again a professional that deals with the mechanical properties of the foot. So say example, if there is a correction which is required, alignment of the foot, or if there is any insole attachment required, or if there is any appropriate footwear that needs to be given to curb the effects of the condition, that's when an orthotist comes in and deals with the issues. So as we see, every professional has different role and responsibilities when it comes to solving one foot problem. So when these professionals work together holistically is when we get an appropriate treatment approach. So this was an informative video, and now you know whom to go to when you have a foot problem.